So how do you screen record on your macOS? Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to be learning how we can screen record on our macOS. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, fortunately, you don't have to download any and resort to any sort of third-party apps in order to screen record. Your Apple device will actually give you the option. Just the way to access it is a little bit complicated. So in order to access the screen recording tool from your macOS keyboard, you have to press the Shift, Command and the F button simultaneously, not F5 but the 5 number over here, right? So not F5, so Shift, Command and 5. So press the Shift, Command and 5 option and you'll enable these options. Now I'm currently screen recording, that's why you're seeing these limited options. But if you're not screen recording, when you go to this options tab, you'll find the option to select your microphone, you'll find the options to select where you want to save it, you'll find the option to select it to record a selected area, or you'll find the option to record the entire screen. And once you have begun the recording, you can click on the record option, and if you want to go ahead and then end the recording, what you have to do again is just press Shift, Command, 5 button simultaneously and then just select this option called stop screen recording. So that way you will be able to go ahead and then basically start and end your screen recording on Mac. I hope that this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.